Breaking a bone might sound scary, but your body is equipped with an incredible ability to heal itself. Here's how it works. The healing begins immediately. Blood forms a clot around the broken bone, which stops bleeding and attracts cells to start the repair process. Within a few days, your body creates a soft callus, a temporary bridge made of cartilage, to hold the bone together as it starts to heal. Over the next few weeks, bone-building cells called osteoblasts replace the soft callus with a strong, hard bone structure. In the final phase, the new bone is remodeled to look and function just like the original. This process can take several months to a year. Did you know? A broken bone can heal in 6 to 8 weeks for most people, but kids often heal faster because their bones are still growing. Your body is an incredible repair machine. Like and subscribe for more amazing science facts.